Are you ready to dream big? Are you ready to go for your dreams? Never, ever, ever give up on your dreams. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. And we are here for 2020, and we're talking about your dreams, your personal power, and of course, the law of attraction. You know, a while back ago, I did a video and I talked about my Uncle Mac, who waited, I'm not certain whether it was 17 or 19 years for a specific woman. He had a dream in his heart that she was the one, and he wouldn't give up on that dream. And every night he put a lamp in his window to let her know that he was still open to her, that he was still thinking of her. That was his dream. He was dreaming big. Everybody thought he was crazy. Everybody thought he was nuts. But guess what? They had the best marriage ever. When they got married, it was incredible. And they spent their life teaching spirituality and helping others and loving each other. A deep, bonded marriage. It's okay to dream. It's great to dream. Dreaming is a must. Do you remember when you were a child and you could dream about almost anything and everything? I know my little 2-year-old, he gets down and he lays down and he looks at the train going by and he visualizes himself on that train, driving the train around the track, and he sees himself in a position, and guess what? There's no negative thoughts. There's no counter intentions. There's no, I can't do this. I can't become this. I can't have that. There's none of that. And guess what? That's where you and I need to be again. That's where you and I are going to manifest our greatest dreams and realities. We need to come back to that state. Now, children, when they are under 7 years of age, their brain is primarily in theta. In other words, they're kind of in a dream state. They're in a state where manifestation takes place. You can get yourself back into that state every night when you fall asleep. When you fall asleep, you enter theta before you hit deeper states of consciousness. So as you are entering theta, as you're falling asleep, dream. Dream about your deepest desires. Dream without any limitations. Don't put any limitations on your dreams. Allow the universe to give you what you deeply desire, not what you're willing to settle for. Most people settle in life, and they settle because they have fears, they have doubts, they have worries. I'm not good enough. He doesn't love me. He'll never commit. She doesn't care about me. I'll never make that kind of money. My business isn't that kind of business. They just have all kinds of fears, and it affects and infects their dreams, your dreams. So your fears and doubts and worries and counter intentions infect your dreams, and you start settling for less. Well, I dreamt about that big, beautiful home, but I'll settle for this little apartment. I dreamt about that big, beautiful car, but I'll settle for this motor scooter. Not that motor scooters are bad. I like motor scooters, but you get the idea. I dreamt of having an incredible marriage, an incredible relationship, but I'll settle for him coming by 2 or 3 times a week. You know, you're settling because of your fears, because of your doubts, because of your worries. You see, your subconscious starts to, it doesn't test things. So as other people, parents, family, schools, peer groups, and of course your own personal failures, your own personal trip-ups in life, which cause you pain. They're not really failures, they're what I like to call feedback. But you look at them as failures. Oh, I've been hurt before. I've been hurt before. You know, I'm afraid to get into a relationship. I've been hurt before. What's wrong with you? Come on. Everybody gets hurt in life. That's part of the journey. And you learn and you change and you alter and you adjust. You know, an airplane, they say going from coast to coast is micro going off course, and the computer is constantly correcting it. And that's what you need to do. You need to understand that failures aren't failures. It's just feedback. That's all it is. And constantly correct yourself in the direction of your dreams and goals. Now, I'm not just talking about any dream. I'm talking about dreaming big, dreaming beyond your wildest dreams, getting back to that place where you were when you were 5 years of age and you had no limits and you had no fears and you had no doubts and you knew that anything you would put your dream mind to, you would eventually manifest someday. High flyers, when you clear out your dreams and your doubts and your worries and your fears, and then you allow yourself this time, and I honestly believe it's important when you are writing down your goals and your dreams for the coming year or for the coming 5 years or for your life. I believe that it's important not to put any limitations on those dreams. And when worries and doubts come up, you need to clear them. Now, I have numerous videos, and I'll put a few down below, but I have numerous videos on how to clear yourself. And you can use those videos. And there are other good videos on YouTube, but you need to clear yourself, because when you dream big, and you allow the fears and doubts to move away from you and dissipate, that's when your dreams begin to flow into manifestation. I've seen it so many times. I saw it when one of my clients, 3 years she hadn't talked to a guy. 3 years after a divorce, she said, "Can we get back together?" I said, "Why not? What's limiting you?" And we began doing the work, and she did something that a lot of clients refuse to do. She gave up her fears. She gave up her doubts. She gave up all the counter thoughts that everybody else was telling her. And she put her heart and soul into it. And then she called him. And they got together. And it was slow. It was slow. It was a friendship at first. But then it became a relationship. And eventually, it became a marriage again. I had another lady 15 months apart. Hadn't heard from her boyfriend in 15 months. They're together now. They are married. And they have a child. And they're happy. I've had numerous clients who said, "I don't know what to do, how to make any money." And now they're walking around with piles of money in their pocket. One gentleman was out of a job, was in between jobs, if you will. And within a week, he attracted $25,000 into a new business. Within 18 months, he attracted something like $2 million into his business. And today, money is just flowing into his life. It's all because your mind, you either decide yes or no. Yes or no. Yes, I'm going to dream big, and I'm going to believe my dreams, and nobody's going to take them away from me. Look at people tried to take away Walt Disney's dreams. They said, no. Nobody wants to hear about a mouse. Nobody wants to hear about a talking mouse. And Disney filed bankruptcy once or twice, I'm not sure. But he didn't give up. He didn't stop. He kept moving forward, and you can too. Do not give up on your dreams. High flyers, you were given your dreams by the infinite universe, by divine source, by God. And those dreams live within you. They are, as Joseph Campbell says, your song. And unless you sing your song, what does Joseph Campbell say? A bird must sing his song, or he will die. This is what's in you. This is who you are. This is your dream. Money, wealth, travel, healing others, relationship, marriage. I don't know what your dream is, but don't limit your dream. Take your dream to the highest possible level. People say, I've never had that kind of money, or I've never had anybody love me that much, or I've never had abundance like that. But you can, and you will, once you choose to surrender your doubts and your fears and choose to invest in your dreams. Money, love, health, abundance, happiness, healing mind, relationship, finances. Whatever your dream is, you have no limits. You have no boundaries. You are a co-creator of your reality. High flyers, let me share with you a few keys to successful dreaming, big dreams, unlimited dreams. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy. Listen, your life is about creating. It's about living. It's about experiencing. And I'm not saying that every task in life has to make you happy, but do what makes you happy and dream big. Say, this makes me happy, but more of it would make me even happier, and I'm dreaming big. So make a commitment right now. High flyers, join me. I promise from this day forward to live my life first and foremost from my heart, and to do what makes me happy. Number 2, believe it with all your heart and soul. Believe it totally, completely, without any doubts. Don't kind of believe it or hope it. I totally and completely believe it. Whatever your dream is, believe it. It's your dream. If you can dream it, as Walt Disney says, you can live it. You can have it. You can experience it. High flyers, number 3 is clear away your blocks, your pain, your counterintentions, and invest the time to clear them away. I highly recommend you visit our site, miraclehypnosisonline.com. That's miraclehypnosisonline.com. We have programs that will help you clear away your pain, clear away your doubt and your fears, and help you achieve whatever your dreams are. And you can try the program for 7 days free. 7 days free. Give it a try. Trust me on this. It's worth the 7-day investment. It's free, okay? miraclehypnosisonline.com. Okay, clear away your blocks, pain, counterintention. And number 4, be grateful for what you already have and what is flowing into your life. That big dream is flowing into your life right now. I know a lady right now. She has a manuscript. She knows this is an incredible movie. That's her dream. And that's a manifestation that's about to happen, because she will not give up on her dream. So many people have gone to publisher after publisher after publisher after publisher and been turned down, only to end up with a best-selling book. The experts oftentimes know nothing. There was a little group out of Liverpool that was turned down from almost every recording company in Great Britain at one time. And then they became world famous. And then they became the Beatles. Hey, everybody gets turn downs. That's part of the game. You know why? Because there's a lot of ignorant people in the world that don't understand how great you are, how great your dreams are. Be grateful. Be absolutely grateful, because it is happening in your life. I want to urge you to subscribe to our channel, especially during 2020. We have reinvested our intentions to helping you achieve whatever it is you desire in your life. Thank you so much. You have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.